Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me a product, and these are for furniture. They're for all kinds of things. It's a really common screw. It's just good to have some of these around for if you're fixing furniture, if you're putting shelves together. It's a really common screw. So if you're looking for them, this is a good screw to have. It's a hex head. 30 pieces is an M6 by 25 millimeter screw. Show you. It's this is a stainless steel screw. There is the top right there. The length. So you got about an inch. I'm guessing that's 30 millimeters, but I'm guessing it's probably a little over an inch, inch and a quarter probably. And hex driver to use. So let's put it in. Let's see if we can't put this in something. So I was missing a screw in this back of this mirror attachment for my dresser. So I can now attach this mirror properly with the screw set that I just got and screw it in nice and tight. So they do fit in lots of furniture places. So go out and get yourself a set of these screws today.